One culture, you know. Believe, you know. Anywhere we go, you know. Hey guys, so guess what? I want to party tonight, see me? And I this to see up here, so. How are you going? Watch over here, come close, Steve. Me and the beers them in the streets. Hey, what? Hey, I saw them white youth, you're mad, you know. I saw them white youth. Watch.
Next, we got Jay Side. Jay Side is Jamaican. He has travel vlogs, and the videos are high quality. He does interviews on just random people about questions that he wants to know how people feel about it.
So, boom, so you don't know it's your boy Jay Side and we are here with us today.
Come on, Bina.
Come on, who?
Mel. Chrissia. Abby.
And?
Leah. Rana.
Supreme, J Supreme.
Deontay.
Kisania.
And?
Kayana.
Michaela. Shanamoy.
Reese's Pieces.
Alright, Reese's Pieces. What a name, bro. So, boom, you don't know.
Sorry.
Boom, you don't know it's your boy Jay Side and back with another bang. So, hey, you know don't looking guys. So anyways, me there you take right now. I do interview.
And the quality of your videos, when I tell you, it's so crisp. You have I can't see you not succeeding. I can't see you not winning because your video qualities are so amazing and you're already winning because you get a lot of views. And I love what you are doing. Check out Jay's Side. Amazing. You will get your life watching his videos. So highly encouraging. Opinions from everyday people that are very relatable. His vlogs, his travel vlogs, his content is very relatable, very cool. Jay Side, check him out. Comment, subscribe, let him know I sent you. Give him a virtual hug because you're gonna love his videos. You're gonna love it. You're gonna binge it, and you're gonna be probably on his channel for hours. Check out Jay Side.
Whoa, guys, whoa, hey, wonder if me can balance on this one foot. Alright guys, if anyone want to like karate show, let me know. Alright, so anyway guys, what go on? You don't know it's a boy Jason and I'm back with another bang. Alright, so today, as you can see from your, the previous clips on my channel, yeah man, today I'm going to give you some information on my J1 Work and Travel program and my experience. Yeah man, so no man, this is not safe. But anyway guys, big up DoorDash. She shout out my channel overseas. So guys, we are trying to get some good traction. We are trying to get a community where we know say, alright, you guys love me. You guys want to watch my videos and stuff. Big up to the 2 persons so far that I see from her shout out. Big up yourself. Yeah man guys, so remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Continue watching this video if you want to know exactly what to do when you're on the J1 Work and Travel program. Hope you guys are trying to go for this year. My agency when me use a SNOW, SNOW. You can Google them. You can search them up. Yes, man. One of the best agency on the Work and Travel right now. Yeah, man. So, book. No, man. You're so not safe, guys. So, guess what? Continue watching the video. Yeah, man. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Yeah, man, guys. So, them, I tips I make from Baskin Robbins. Yeah. Not much. Not much is in me, but you can go on. You can go on. Nothing too tough. Them I just see tips. And sometimes they share up with all 4 somebody. I'm not telling you how much this today, but just know say tips can make a foreign. Yeah man, tips can make a foreign man. I'm spend out all the report already. Cause me say you can't just there so work. And the GM say, yo, forward to see him where I say, and we say outside, yeah man. Spend one nice little $10, one nice little $5 on the journey come back. So $15 that I spend out there. Yeah. And you know, so if you get a fresh hairstyle like this, you have to spend the money. Big up to the girl the way do me hairstyle. She can basically do me hair and trim me. Yeah man, she talented man. Talented soul. Anyways guys, big up on yourself. Tune in for the next journey again. I'm always out. So what go on my side, white chop. So boy, they upon the work and travel, isn't it? I mean tell you say working straight 7 days a week get like the most, cause you say 8 hours of sleep or maybe 7, and as you shut your eye you have to wake up. Yeah, guess what, the one job nah cut it, my side, because you know when enough people they are one place in a one department, you not get no hours, you see me? So you have to go somewhere else, get something different or another job. So far my experience not so bad still, because you know I realize with them people over here, so you see if you don't murmur and you don't want to do this and you don't want to do that, them not gonna like you. But you see, as long as you come and you know say I work, you come for work. If they say do this, you do it. But me not tell you say if they tell us to jump over in our water, you know, or one ditch, you know, you have to do it. No. You have to have sense. And you know if you murmur every minute. Because if I work, you come for work, you work, you see? So yeah man, that me I tell anybody else who watch this video right now. If you are planning to come a foreign, I feel like say it's a thing with like a Jamaica. If you don't want to come and work, or if you do come and work, you go on Lily and Georgia your foot. If you Georgia your foot and Lily, then send you home. Because you don't come for work, I don't work to come for work. I don't say I want to look a slaverish thing, you know. Like, oh well, you might stand up longer than way that stand up at Jamaica, or but you have different department. You have department where people sit down, you have department where people stand up. You see me? It depends which department you're in. You see me? So far, as me say, it a go on good. Just couple more days left or weeks left before I go back on my yard. You see me? I kinda feel good and I kinda feel bad because Virgin people guys, me not make money yet. Me not make money when me have in mind. Me not do none of them something like that. Cause you know say there's something hard. Yeah. People might come up and say, oh easy. Some everybody have a different story. Some people can stay in one job and make 10 grand. While as some you have to do 3 jobs. You come out for one, you go for the next. So you have to do yours, go right back. Some do 2 jobs. And with the hours sometimes they then give us, the most they can do are 2. Because the hours them they not give a steady thing where you can work and have time to go to the next one. Basically if they give one shift, you can just know say your day done. For the day there. You don't go carry the gun to other places. But yeah man, it's a nice experience. It's a nice thing to do. But I encourage anybody to come up here. But if you go come up here and lay and murmur if they do, if you have to work or something. Extreme. If you murmur, you get some extreme work where you have to do some things where not on your work slip or your work permit, because then tell you where you do point of your program, you know, where you're supposed to come up here and do. So if you see you get or do more than that and you not get more pay to do the extra work or you not just not do it. And sometimes it never make no sense to if you even say, well, come to me, if you even report them or go to the HR or management and say, hey, you know, say, make it too much work, right? Just so really, you know, gone away because all of them basically are one. They will just take your name and laugh off of you or do whatever they might do. So the best thing you do, you do what you have to do. You come here for one 3 months or 1 4 months, you just shut your eye. Me not tell you if you go put away all of your feelings because people have different ways of reacting to certain things. Some people might say, oh, sure, that I know. Some people, oh, them are going to take it up and make it be a big deal. You see me? So it depends how you deal with certain things. But as me say, if nobody have planned to come up on this or something, there's no say, you're not going to come up here and sit down and expect to get money. You have to get up and you have to work. You have to get a second job. If I first job, you have to get some hours. You come up and you say you want to make 10 grand, 8 grand, you have to do it. And for people who not sure what to do, try get jobs where pay more and get more hours. Whether you're not sure your hours them are your first job, you know, because as I say, sometimes they can overstaff. You get like $16, $15, and you still not make no money. You not make at least $1,000 for the week or for the 2 weeks, because for full budget, every 2 weeks you get paid. So you cannot make $18 and still not see $1,000. Or you barely see over $1,000. You can make $16 and you can see over $1,000. So it depends. You cannot get more money but less hours. So all of them something there before you come up and check them out and you see and pick and say, hey, how is the hours this place or how much hours you're supposed to get. Because for my permit, we did to get like are supposed to get like at least like 10-11 hours, and we could have get extra hours too, and it was like $23 for extra hours. When me check the stock or when me almost go on my yard, me see then start to look at extra hours. All them shop there. You can't meds because you see if you meds it too hard, you go want to go home and you go want to switch for your work. You see me? But guys, you just have to focus. You just have to focus. And just have to put your mind to it. Take on your vitamins. Take on your iron tablet. Whatever it is. Take it to make it through the 4 months or the 3 months again. And as me say, the expectation, some people come up, it's different. Because some people get good job, good hours, good pay, while some nothing like that. So it depends by your experience. It depends on your job. It depends on the hour where you get. It depends on the money where you get. Yeah, man. And you can't live God out there. You can't live God out there. You pray and you do what you have to do. And you work and you sleep and ask God for strength, added strength. Yeah, man, believe. Yeah, man, guys. So that's my episode. So I want to remember like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man, I want to start drop some good content because boy, I tell you say the content thing dry out from what it costs me. I tell you, so I don't have no time for myself, guys. I don't have no time for myself. From work to sleep to work to sleep to work to sleep. You can say it's a cultural exchange program. I don't know. I don't really do nothing really exciting. Other than my friend go right there, so when I go sit on the street now.
I've been
Yeah, but other than from that, me no go nowhere. From Walmart, if me I buy groceries back home, me no go nowhere. But yeah, man, we got to do what we got to do, right? So guys, stay tuned. We're kind of Josie right now because I come from my first job and Josie met. I'm saying I have to check in with them and see what's going on and see if we're good. Everybody alright? Everybody has to stay safe, everybody has to keep healthy, make sure you're not drinking no water, when you take on vitamins and minerals and irons. Make sure you not eat proper. Because diabetes is real. Because I see all over here guys, I see people are walking around with something on the hand side, on the up on them bicycle person. Some little something, round something. That's why they have sugar. I don't know what it is. But they have something on them. Old people, I see big, small, middle age, little pitney. I walk around with their mess and no man. And something that's serious. Young youth. In a normal over here, man. So make sure you eat good. Make sure you eat healthy. Yeah, man, guys. So, catch me back for our next video. I'm out.
It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.